Hi children, the next problems are question number 11, question number 12 and question number 13. Okay. Now question number 11. In the following figure, angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. Give reason. We have to check whether this angle is adjacent to this angle this angle. Are they adjacent angles? Yes or no? No, they are not adjacent angles. What is the reason? They don't have a common vertex. So, what you can say, the vertex of this angle is this and the vertex of this angle is this. They have no common vertex. So, what you can say that angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent. Angle 1 and angle 1 is not adjacent to, or you can write angle 1, write down angle 1 is not adjacent to, angle 1 is not adjacent to angle 2. What is the reason? Because they have no common vertex, because they have no common vertex. I hope this answer is clear. Angle 1 is not adjacent to angle 2. What is the reason? Because they have no common vertex. Okay. Now, move to the next question. Now find the values of x, y, z in each of the following. You take the first figure, and we have to find the value of x, y and z in the first figure. Now you can see here, two lines are intersecting and we got four angles here. When two lines intersecting, we will get one point of intersection, and the angles opposite to that point of intersection is vertically opposite angles, okay, and we already studied that vertically opposite angles are equal. Now just find it out. You can see that x and 55 are vertically opposite angles, is it? So what you can write, x is equal to 55 degree, angle x is equal to 55 degree. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. What you can write, angle x is equal to angle 55. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So we got the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y and z. So x is equal to 55 degree. Okay. Now we have to find the value of y and z. You can see that y and 55, y and angle x or y and 55 are there in a straight line, and we also know that sum of the angles in a straight line is equal to 180 degree, and they are adjacent angles also. So what you can write here, angle y plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason for that? Linear pair, or you can write supplementary, linear pair. Okay. So here angle y, or you can write this one or this one, no problem. This and this are standing in the straight line, okay, and these two angles are adjacent also. So what you can write, angle y plus angle 55 is equal to 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. So how will we find the value of angle y? By our transposing method, 180 minus 55. 180 minus 55, what answer you will get? 180 minus 55. 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 5, 2, 1. So what is the answer? Is equal to 125 degree. So what is the measure of angle y? 125 degree. So what is angle y? 125 degree. So we got angle y, and we know that angle y and angle z are vertically opposite angles, is it? And we already studied vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle y is equal to angle z because they are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Angle y and angle z are vertically opposite angles. So angle z is equal to what? 125 degree. What is the reason? Angle z is equal to angle z is equal to 125 degree. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle z is equal to 125 degree What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So, we got the angle measures. So, angle Z is also 125, angle Z is also 125 degree, angle X is 55 degree, angle Y is 125 degree. So, I hope all this clear. Okay. Angle X and angle Y are vertically opposite angles. Angle X and angle Y are, angle X and angle 55 are vertically opposite angles. So, their measures are equal. Angle X is equal to 55 degree. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles are equal. And we know that Y and 55, these angles are standing in a straight line and they are adjacent angles also. So, what you can write? Y plus 55 is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Linear pair. By transposing method, you will get the value of Y. What is Y? Y is equal to 125 degree. Okay. Now, if you know the value of Y, we know that Y and Z are vertically opposite angles. So, if Y is equal to 125 degree, what is the value of Z? 125 itself. Okay. So, this is X and this is Z. Okay children, this problem is clear. Okay, now move to the next question. Now you look at the B question. Okay, look at the B question. Now, in this question we can see two lines here. Which are the two lines here? This is one line, this is one line, and this is one line. Okay, this is one line and this is one line. Okay, you can see two lines in this figure and just find out the common point of intersection. This is the point of intersection. So, here we can see two lines intersecting at one point. That common point is known as point of intersection. Now, can you find out the vertically opposite angles here? You can see that angle Z and 40 degree are vertically opposite angles. Angle Z and angle 40 degree are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles, is it? So, you can write angle Z is equal to, you can write angle Z is equal to 40 degree. What is the reason? Angle Z is equal to 40 degree. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So, what you can write? Angle Z is equal to 40 degree. So, we got angle Z as 40 degree. Okay. Now, look at the next part. Now, which are the next pair of vertically opposite angles? Next pair of vertically opposite angles. So, we already marked this and this are vertically opposite angles. So, this angle and this angle are opposite to this vertex. Now, which is the next pair of vertically opposite angles? Next pair of vertically opposite angle. You can see that this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles, is it? This angle and that angles are vertically opposite angles. So, first we will find the value of x. If you know the value of x, we can easily find the value of y. Now, for finding the value of x, you can see that these angles are standing in this straight line. These angles are standing in this straight line, and we know that sum of angles at a point on one side of a straight line is what? 180 degrees. So, what you can write here? Angle x plus 40 degree plus 25 degree is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Because sum of the angles of a straight line is 180 degree. Now, how will we find the value of x? Angle x plus 40 plus 25. What is the answer? 65 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now, find the value of x. X is equal to, angle x is equal to, by transposing method, 180 minus 65. 180 minus 65. What is the answer? 180 minus 65. So 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 6, 1. 1, 1. So what is the answer? 115 degree. So we got angle X as 115 degree. Why? How did you get that answer? Because all that angles are standing in a straight line. These all angles are there in a straight line. So what you can say? Sum of the angles at a point on one side of a straight line is 180 degree. That means the sum of all these three angles is equal to 180 degree. By using that rule, we got the value of X as 115 degree. What is the value of X? 115 degree. Now we have to find the value of Z. We have to find the value of Y. By finding the value of Y, there are two methods are there. So you know that this is straight line, is it? This is straight line. These angles are on this straight line. Angle Y plus angle Z, you can write it as angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Okay, and we know the value of angle Z. Angle Y plus 40 degree is equal to 180, because angle Z we already find it out. Angle Z is 40 degree because they are vertically opposite angle. So what is the value of angle Y? 180 minus 40. What is the answer? 180 minus 40 is 140 degree. This is the one method for finding the value of Y. Or you can find the value of Y as you know that angle Z plus 25 and angle Y are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. We know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So you know the value of angle Y is equal to, we know the value of angle X. What is the value of angle X? You can write angle X plus 25, because angle X plus 25 is vertically opposite to angle Y. So we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So what you can write? Angle Y is equal to angle X plus 25. And we know the value of angle X. What is the answer? 115 plus 25. What is the answer? 115 plus 25. Just do the calculation. 0, 1, 4, 1. What is the answer? We got 140 degree. Okay. So by using this method or by using this method, you will get the same answer. Okay. Here also by using this method, you got the answer 140, or by using the condition of vertically opposite angle also, you got the same answer. You got the same answer, 140 degree. Okay. So just thorough with the conditions of the pairs of angle, you can easily do the problems. Okay. So I hope this answer is clear. Practice it one more time. Now the next question. Fill in the blanks. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is what? What is the sum of the measure of two complementary angles? What is the sum of the measure of two complementary angles? 90 degree. We know that if the sum is 90 degree, then only their angles are complementary angles, is it? Now what is second question? If two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measures is supplementary means what? So if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, we can say that they are supplementary angles. So the first answer is 90 degree, second answer is 180 degree. Question number 13, I am telling about question number 13, fill in the blanks question. Now third question. Two angles forming a linear pair. Linear pair means what? They are supplementary, is it? So two angles forming a linear pair are supplementary. Two angles forming a linear pair are supplementary. Now what is the fourth question? Two adjacent angles are supplementary. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, what is the name of the pair of angles? They form linear pair. They form linear pair. They form linear pair. Okay. Now the fifth question. If two lines intersect at a point, the vertically opposite angles are always, we know that if two lines intersect, the angles formed are called vertically opposite angles, the opposite to the vertex, and always the vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Now the sixth question, if two lines intersect at a point, if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles, then the other pair of vertically opposite angles are, if one pair is acute, that means, listen children, if one pair is acute, suppose we know that this is a vertically opposite angle, is it? This angle and this angle are vertically opposite, this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. And what is given there in the question? If one pair of angles, suppose this is acute, suppose this is acute, this also acute. If one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles, what about the other pair of angles? What about the other pair of angles? Just take the part. Listen children, we know that, take this part. This is straight line, is it? This is straight line, and we know that if one is, we know that sum of the angles of a straight line is 180 degree. Okay, and we already studied sum of the angles of a straight line is 180 degree. If this angle is acute, this angle is acute means less than 90 degrees. Suppose I am taking 89 degree. Suppose I am taking 89 degree plus dash will give the answer 180. Suppose if one angle is acute, 89 plus dash will give the answer 180. 89 plus dash will give the answer 180. We know that sum of the angles on a straight line, sum of the angles at a point on one side of a straight line is 180 degree, and the question is given that you have to take the one pair of angles. This pair we took it as acute angle. What about the other pair? Now we know that this is straight line, this is straight line, and this sum, the sum of this angle will be, this angle, this full angle will be 180 degree, is it? So this full angle will be 180 degree. So 89 plus what number will give the answer 180? Just subtract it, 180 minus 89. So 10 minus 9, 1. 17 minus 8, what is the answer? 9. So 89 plus 91 only will give the answer 180 degree. That means if one angle is acute, the other pair of angles should be obtuse. Okay. So if this angle is obtuse only, so if this angle is obtuse only, we will get 180 in this straight line. Okay, so what you can say here, if one pair of vertically opposite angle is acute, the other pair of vertically opposite angles will be obtuse angle. Is it clear? Now those who are having doubt, just look at the next part. Suppose this is straight line, is it? This straight line, this angle is acute. So obviously this angle will be obtuse, then only the full angle will be 180 degree. We already studied if one is acute, one is obtuse, then only we will get 180 degree, is it? So if one pair of vertically opposite angle is acute, the other pair should be obtuse angle. Other pair of vertically opposite angles be obtuse angle. Okay, I hope all these fill in the blanks questions are clear. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.